So I get asked all the time, what am I doing to lose weight? Well, how is it that it's coming off? I even know people that are personal trainers that have been like, hey, your results are different. What are you doing? Like, because you can tell I'm doing it healthy. My body, it's recomposing, and it's not being done in an unhealthy way. So what am I doing? For starters, something like this, super super good um, for if you want to lose weight. Oatmeal. Okay. So these are the quick ones. I have regular ones for 160 calories for half a cup. Okay. You have half a cup of oatmeal. That's a pretty decent amount. And in that, you have 5 grams of protein. You get a lot of carbs. A lot of carbs. So have this early if you're going to have it. But this is just something quick. Tuna. People don't realize just how nutrient dense tuna is. It's my little incense holder. For instance, it's, you can see right there actually, 60 calories per serving. So there's 120 calories in this can, and you get 1 gram of fat, 30 milligrams or 60 milligrams because it's beat the whole can of cholesterol, less than 1 gram of carbs, so probably around 1 gram of carbs, 108 milligrams of potassium, 12 grams of protein. So we get 24 grams of protein in just 1 can of tuna. Now, obviously, if you get the name brand tuna, you may get a little bit better results. I get the store brand. And in here is my mini fridge. This is all in my bedroom here. Obviously, you have your Tapatio, your Valencia, and your Sriracha. This is a protein powder that I'm about to have, actually. Some aloe vera, some Greek yogurt right here, some beer, because that's always a necessity. I gotta clean this fridge out. Mustard, ketchup, stuff like that. You gotta flavor up your foods a little bit. Obviously, if you're on a cut, you're not having fried foods or anything. So you gotta flavor them up a little bit. And you can have a beer or two. It's not gonna hurt you. Like today, I had 2 of them. The Light Sky is better than this St. Archer. I thought the St. Archer was gonna be better. It's kind of like a strong Corona, but I like wheat beers, so this one was pretty good. We're going to get down to the protein sources. Now, in my fridge out there, I have eggs, rice, pastas. Obviously, the eggs and the rice. Well, rice is a pretty okay source of protein if you have it in like a protein drink or something. But here we go. Okay. So obviously you see 2 gallons of milk, right? Because, depending on if I want more calories, then I have whole milk. And if I don't, then I have the 2% up there. So you have wild Alaskan cod, 70 calories, 11 grams of protein, no carbs, pretty low cholesterol, sodium, pretty low fat. It's pretty much all protein. And this is a very, very solid source of protein. I'm probably going to have this for lunch or some swai. Now, swai is, well, you'll see.